Good morning students. I welcome you all for the online class of moral science. Today we will be going to start our new chapter, that is corruption. Let us have a look over the chapter, that is students, corruption. This is our fifth chapter. Corruption, you know student, nowadays it is very much popular, this word. Even small kids know the meaning of corruption. Corruption means for making any work to be done, the person is taking bribe. Okay, that bribe you are taking just to do the work anyhow. The upper class peoples are not only the upper class people, even the small peons and all who are knowing how the work can be done. They are taking money and just taking the making the papers work to be done. Okay, that all the work which is done wrongly by giving money is known as corruption. Okay, so nowadays in the ministries and many of the places you are knowing, in the government offices, and not only government but private sector also, to get the job, a lump sum money is taken from the person just to appoint them, though their qualification meet or not meet. Even to make the work done of the business purpose by the by the government people, the bribery are used. It must be stopped, student. If someone is giving and the another is not taking, definitely it can be stopped. Because wrong thing can be stopped not by one side, it can be stopped by the another side also. If we will not encourage the wrong thing to be done, definitely it will be automatically get stopped. So that is the corruption, student. Corruption is also a bad thing. It must be stopped. If the students are nowadays are learning very wrong thing from the market, that if you want to get so and so certificate, you can just give the money, then definitely from we will make the work to be done. You will get by sitting at home only the certificates. How the work will be done? If you not learn, if you are not registered, how your name get registered in such a particular place? Definitely someone had taken money, and by getting that money they have provided you. You don't want to know how they provided, but you want the thing what you want to be done. This all people in a way are doing the corruption. One is encouraging another and another one is encouraging the another. In between this chain, if anyone will stop this, definitely the corruption, the bad image will be stopped. So men and more often bribed by their loyalties and ambitions than money. That is said by Robert H. Jackson for the word corruption. Because of this corruption, the good people are getting destroyed. But the thing is that never the good goes anyway. Whenever we are doing something good, it will come and return to us only. When we are doing bad, it will again repel to us. It will come back to us. It will reflect to us. So the thing is that though these wrong things are happening in this world, but the thing is that we must always go with the right thing. We must always do right. So corruption is a worldwide phenomena. However, it is an intrinsic problem, special to Indian side. It goes into the mind of the people. Now, as a student will come to know that those who are paying money, they are getting all the work easy. Their mind will cover with this bad image, with this bad idea, that hard work is of no value. If we will give money, we will get the work to be done. Likewise, the things are going in the market, in the society. But this thing is totally wrong. If you will get any wrong certificate, if your parents will get anything very easily done through the way of money, not through the way of hard work, not the process which is decided, definitely one day you will be catched and you will be caught by the higher officers or by the God. Definitely the wrong thing will be caught and you will get the punishment for the same. So the thing is that corruption must not be done by us, as well as we must not encourage others to do the corruption. If you are seeing anywhere corruption is going on, you must try to stop it. We can try. We can't stop. We can't declare that we can stop, but we can try to make something wrong to be stopped. So that only has been said. One story is there for the corruption. Some time ago, an old widow was in need of some money. So she prayed for a week, but nothing happened. Finally, she decided to write a letter to God requesting to send her 500 rupees. When the post office staff saw the letter, they were so amused. Definitely, for them, it will be amazing thing. How could God will give the person 500 rupees? And how could the person can write to God a letter? All the same, they immediately collected some money from among themselves and sent the amount to the widow. As the lady was very unsupportive, the woman was delighted to receive rupees 300 because collection was made of 300 and decided to write a thank you note to God. So she wrote, "Dear God, thank you very much for sending the money. I noticed that you sent it through the post office and those people working there ate my 200 rupees." That was the thinking of the woman. By seeing the letter of the woman, the post office people tried to help the woman, and by trying, though they were not able to collect 500 rupees among themselves, but they had collected 300 rupees and posted to the woman's address. But what the woman thought, that though the God had sent 500 rupees, but in between this post office people had taken 200 rupees and sent to the lady 300 rupees. So that was the thinking of the lady. India is a land of diversity. A lot of positive elements have gone into the making of this unified nation. Our country has a pride of place among the nation because of its colorful cultural heritage. Yes, definitely, Indian people are having too much proudness of being an Indian. Because here many people here from other countries people are coming, and we don't have to go to other country. It is not supposed to us to go to other country to see that people, to meet them. They are coming to our country, visiting our country, meeting to our peoples. So our country, we are having a very beautiful image, beautiful traditional practices, marvelous philosophical thoughts, liberating religious beliefs, and high ethical and moral values. Because of that, in our country, still helping nature is present. People, because of this emotion of helping other, they are helping. Though they know some of the time our help is useless. Some people don't give any response to our help. But we are not helping so as to get something in return. We are helping because in our nature some help type values are there. So, nevertheless, it must be admitted that in the course of time, India has also become a land of conflicts, incongruities, disparities, and incoherence. As something is having positiveness, definitely that thing will be having the negativeness also. So, same is with our country. Though our country is filled with many things, but it is having some negativity also. Obviously, there are problems of huge magnitude in every sphere of life in our country, and corruption seems to be the biggest reason for all our woes. Although corruption is a worldwide phenomenon, it has progressively increased in our country. Like a parasite, it is feeding on individuals and groups, communities or people in the society. It is eating into every area of our life and work. Educated person and education institution are no exception to this. What is corruption, student? Let us have a simple meaning to that. Corruption is an insidious plague that has a wide range of corrosive effects on societies. It undermines democracy and the rule of law, leads to violation of human rights, distorts markets, erodes the quality of life, and allows organized crime, terrorism, and other threats to human security to flourish. That itself is corruption. So it can be said it is a form of dishonest or unethical conduct by a person entrusted with a position of authority. A person is given a highly authority and highly responsible person, but that person, if he or she does something wrong just to get an earning, false type of earning, that is known as corruption. Often to acquire personal benefit, just to get a high position, just buttering to someone, doing their work, that all comes in the corruption. Corruption in its broader sense includes bribery, embezzlement, dishonesty, lack of integrity, moral deterioration, any corrupting influence, and the abandonment of good habits. The word corrupt literally means utterly broken. Stephen D. Morris, a professor of political science, see political corruption as the illegitimate use of public power to benefit a private interest. Government political corruption occurs when a government or political leader acts in an official capacity for personal gain. Economist Ian Senior defines corruption as an action to secretly provide good or a service to a third party so that he or she can influence certain actions which benefit the corrupt. A third party or both in which the corrupt agent has authority. Daniel Kaufman from the World Bank extend the corrupt to include legal corruption in which power is abused within the confines of the law, as those with power often have the ability to make law for their protection. According to Aristotle and Cicero, the abandonment of good habit is also a form of corruption. Thus, a man in the street who spits or urinates in public places is also corrupt. An officer who appoints a person to a job because he belongs to his family or to his community is corrupt too. Though money is not taken, but still the wrong thing happened because more deserving person can appoint to that post. But that person has lost the job because this person only by getting his name connected to the officer of the same institute got the job. So this is a corruption. A person who sells his property or an item by knowing any and hiding all the flaw, it is also corrupt. A leader who fools his electorate with his elegant semantics is equally corrupt. A person in office who declines to sign an urgent file because it is time to close the office is corrupt as well. Mainly in the government offices we are seeing, not in every offices, not every government officer is doing, but if the offices get to close by 5 but the people get ready by 4:30, they don't want to give signature in any of the paper because it will delay their going time. Many people from far off places taking time coming to the offices to get the work to be done because there will not get any second day to get the work easily to be done. Because of that they are coming and asking the people to do the work. But some of the offices they are just closing before the time. So this all is coming into corruption. A student who cheats in the exam, a teacher who helps a student to copy in the exam, a parent who tries to put pressure on a teacher to pass an undeserving student are all guilty of being corrupt. This line must be taught to every person because these things people are finding that it is emotional, but doing something wrong against anyone, it is corruption, not the good. Black money is so much a part of our white economy, a tumor in the center of the brain. Rohinton Mistry, said by Rohinton Mistry. So black money is not good. It must not be earned, and it must not taught to the student to be earned. But still students are getting fascinated toward this type of black money because they find an easy way to get more and more money. But this must not be taught because every sin is having a punishment. Maybe now, maybe later. So that must not be received by anyone. That must be taught before time. Because precaution is better than prevention. In recent times, corruption has gained mammoth proportions in India. Corruption is a major issue that adversely affects the development of our society. In a study conducted in the year 2008, Transparency International report that about 40% of Indians had first-hand experience of paying bribes or using a contact to get a job done in public office. Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index (CPI) has ranked India 76 out of 175 countries. You can see in this type of thing our country number is coming before 100 number. In 2030 we were ranked 94th out of 175 countries. Again, Transparency International in its report Global Corruption Barometer July 13, 2013 state that virtually no key institution or sector in India can be seen as being free from corruption, because it is covered the mind of the people to get good money. They have to earn the second way of earning, that is the black money. And because of this type of wrong thinking in the mind of people, that everyone is doing this is gaining the brain of, covering the brain of each and every person. Very rarely the people had been lack from this. So that is corruption, student. In the next class I will be going to explain the next part of the corruption. Still the time, thank you and have a nice day.